Welcome to Data Points, a Mid-Hudson Regional Information Center instructional series for district data coordinators. This time on Data Points, we'll be reviewing the Level 0 missing attendance report. So why is accurate student data attendance important anyway? Well, it lets you and the parent guardian know where the student is. It's used for accountability purposes and chronic absenteeism calculations. And it informs the district if state learning standards are not being met. In order to find the missing attendance report from your dashboard or any screen in the Level 0 app, go to the Reports menu found at the top of the screen. Then choose Student Daily Attendance from the drop-down menu. Select the Missing Attendance Radio button and then choose which month you'd like to run the report for. Note, you can run the report for the whole year, but if you have a lot of missing attendance, this will be very time-consuming. For this example, I chose April. You can opt to use the location filter if you just want to see one building, or you can leave it blank to run the report for all buildings in that given month. As you can see, this district has 550 missing attendance records for the month of April. If there were no missing attendance records, it would tell you so. I redacted student PII, but left the first few numbers visible in the student ID column, just so you can see that you can drill down to these students to fix their attendance records right in Level 0. The issue, however, might not be with the attendance record, it might be with the day calendar. So be sure to check both. Thank you for watching Data Points, a Mid-Hudson Regional Information Center instructional series for district data coordinators. Please contact Data Warehouse at mhric.org for more information.